guys, it's Roy here from RWilco12 and EpicDroid.com, and we're here today to take a quick look at the Urban Armor Gear, or the UAG Monarch case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now this here is not a real Note 10 Plus, this is what they call a dummy device. Dummy devices are sent out to case manufacturers and accessory manufacturers, so they can have these cases ready and shipping before the device actually starts shipping from Samsung or the other device manufacturers. For all intents and purposes, this is a real Note 10 Plus, it just doesn't turn on. Now the Monarch case is a premium case. It offers premium features and premium protection, but it does come with a premium price tag. This case is not cheap. It goes for between $50 and $60 on Amazon. That being said, I would still recommend this case 100%, and it's one of the cases that I like most to put on my device to keep it safe as long as possible. The case has an awesome design. It's made up of 5 different layers of protection. It has a soft TPU layer, it has some metal in there, it has this hard polycarbonate shell, has this premium material, aka leather or pleather, as well as other things that I can't even remember. But all combined, this case offers the best protection that you can possibly put on your phone. So to put it on your phone, you're going to set it down on its back, then you're going to take your phone and you're going to slide it in. You want to do it with the power and the volume buttons first at the top. Push that down in. And then push the bottom corners in. Just make sure that that's snug all the way around. And then you are good to go. Now the first thing you're going to see is the raised lip across the top and the bottom of the case here. That allows you to set that face down without having to worry about it getting scratched up. So along that top lip, we do have a cutout here. That cutout allows you to use the front-facing speaker without having the case get in the way of your audio. Here up top, we do have some cutouts for the noise-canceling mics. Here on the bottom, we have a cutout for your S Pen, for your speaker, for your USB-C charging port, and for your microphone. The S Pen does have this little slot right here, so you can stick your finger in there and you can pop that out without any issues. Unfortunately, my S Pen is not a real S Pen, so I can't test that completely, but I don't think you're going to run into any problems. And then here on the side, we do have our power and our volume buttons, and as you can hear there's no issues using those. Unfortunately, because the device doesn't turn on, I can't test them completely, but I can tell you from past experience that there will not be any issues with this case with those buttons. Also on the side here, you will see that there is this cross-hatching. There's this little texture there so that when you're gripping this case is not going anywhere. This thing will never be sliding out of your grip, and you're never going to have to worry about dropping it. But if by chance you do happen to drop it, you have some awesome protection here in the corners of the device. You have these super thick bumpers that have a couple of things in them. First, they have the soft TPU layer, and then they have an air pocket. What happens is when that hits, it's going to first hit that TPU, that absorbs some of the impact, and then you have that air pocket, which then helps spread that out before it actually hits the device. So if you're lucky, you'll be able to avoid any damage at all to your phone. And those bumpers are in all 4 corners of the device. You also have this piece here on the back. You have the hard polycarbonate, and you have those 5 different layers that provide you with the protection there. And so that if you're dropping that, you're not going to have to worry about it getting damaged. You also have these little feet here in the corners that work very similar to that lip that was here on the front. Those 4 feet allow you to set that down without having to worry about this hard plastic piece getting scratched up. And then you have this nice deep layer here around your camera, your flash, and your other sensors to keep them protected as well. All in all, this is a super awesome case, and I would highly, highly, highly recommend it. Yes, it is $60. Yes, it is worth it. So if you guys have any questions about the Monarch case, or about Urban Armor Gear's other products, or about the Note 10 Plus, please feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.